Well, I think the weak spot I had was my back, my lower back, and I would find when I was woke up in the morning, I was stiff, and when I started to do your classes, I found that happened less often, and I also, because of your classes, I would remember some of the exercises and movements that you did that I felt made a lot of difference. And when I wake up in the morning, I still do this.
Yeah, but first of all, to say I'm 66 next month. So I've noticed in the last few years that I've lost a lot of muscle mass and strength, and never really I don't really have a sport to build that back again. So that was an important thing for me to do your classes. But also I had some physical problems. I had hip pain, which was treated with steroid injections. I had a knee pain, the same. I had a problem with my sacrum being slightly off balance. And I've been told by physiotherapists, I need to strengthen my core. I need to strengthen my glutes. I need to strengthen my legs. And I just didn't know how to go about that because going to the gym, lifting weights and
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah.
And instead, we've taken on your classes, and it just seems to tick all the boxes for all the basic ailments that I've got as a 60-something guy. That it's strengthening me, it's making me feel more alert, more alive, and most important, the pains literally have gone. The pains that specialists could only treat with injections have gone, literally. There's a little bit twinging in my knee, to be honest, but my back isn't totally loose either. But the daily pains, certainly my hip is 100% better.
Yes, I have got an issue with my neck. It's the same issue I have with my lower back. It's pressing, what is it called?
It's the vertebrae pressing on the spinal cord.
On the spinal cord. And there is no way back for that except to make the muscles around my neck and my lower back stronger so they can protect both. I used to have lots of pins and needles, which were not a good sign. Then I started to do the classes, and within very few weeks, they have gone. I mean, I started the class in September 2025, and we are now in May 2026, and they haven't come back, and to me that is just such a relief, because it was a very scary situation when I was told what the problem is, and not, I was given tablets and to relax, to which, I don't take anything. I just do the classes, and I feel like I have to do. I wish I could do them every day. I wish I could just get up and do an hour, because that makes me feel so much better.
To loosen up. I mean, my neck is very tight, but by the end of the lesson, I could turn much more to the left, even although I've had a whiplash injury for a long, long time.
And was it tight on both sides, or was it tight on the left?
It loosened up more on the left. It has loosened up more on the left than on the right.
Okay, great. Would you recommend people come to the classes at the RAC?
Definitely.
Great.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
I'm 70 years old. I was 70 in January, which felt like quite a milestone, because I was okay about being 60, but 70 is quite close to 80. So I feel like now is the time to really take care of myself so that I can really enjoy my twilight years.
Yeah.
I'm a grandmother, which I absolutely love. I've been practicing regular yoga for quite a while, and I found actually sometimes that can aggravate it, especially what was called yin yoga. Holding a twist for a long time, for example, would aggravate it. And so I find your classes are more dynamic. So your body is really warmed up and constantly moving.